Are you?
Hold on, goddammit. I'm being nice right now.
I'm your fuck. What is going on here? What the fuck? Oh shit!
I didn't want to let you fall. No. Hold on.
You're gonna break my remote. Shit! Stop!
Okay.
This is not even.
I'll get your hand. Whoa. I got reinforcements.
Slapping her.
She's so good. Smacking me.
Okay, you see this? You see this? Wait, I gotta move my laptop. I gotta move the technology.
Wow, your chest is red. Your chest is red.
What?
Oh!
Wait, what are you doing?
Oh my god!
I heard for you, bro. Hey,
I heard that shit.
you slapped my arm and went numb, bro. Hey, you know how I feel earlier, right? When you slapped me shit at me? This ain't the first time we done this. They done both with my. What's up? You feeling like this? You made me a hot
shit.
Let's go.
You ready for it? Okay, I'm ready for it. Hey, watch out for that cable.
Yep. Get her feet. Get her feet.
She dare. No, she
Get
dare.
her feet.
You can't jump in. You can't jump in. It's between it's only between them two. You can't do that. You can't do that. Don't you dare. I'm not helping either. Don't you dare. I'm not helping either.
Us.
Ooh.
Nope.
Oh my god. Cece's leg is really red now. Look at that. Bring him down.
Wait. We had to lay right
Shh, shh, shh.
Who is that, Ropers? Nobody.
Got my fucking earring.
Who was it?
Stop, boy. Who is it? Horton.
What'd she
What
want?
she want?
Oh, we can hear you also.
I don't care.
Son.
Wait, Lamont, let me see your hand. Come here, come here. Let me.
Time out. You are.
They look kind of red.
We'll live the fight. We'll live the fight. She smacked me in the chest. She smacked me in the shoulder and made my earring.
You should have saw yourself, bro. She hit you. You was like,
Oh, he can't see himself.
You record this?
Yeah, that whole thing was just recorded. The entire thing. You want to watch?